The Future of Forest Work and Communities Youth Visioning Workshop aims to engage youth in a conversation about their lives.
Ngayon ay sariwa pa rin sa isip ko yung naglalakad kami, salang-salang ako ni Papa. Tapos si Papa ay lampus na. Kami naglalakad sa palayanan, syempre ang palayanan ay malambot yung putik. Dilulubog si Papa, tapos sobrang lakas ng baha, inaanod kami.
Bata pa lang po ako yung tinuturuan na ni tatay kumita ng pera, yung pag-hornal po, gano'n, yung gamit kabayo.
Ideas and visions for their future.
Gusto ko mag-sundalo.
Sarili niya, sort ka.
We hope to understand the community landscape in cultural, economic, educational, and environmental terms, and also to get to know the young people, their challenges and opportunities in their community. We gathered youth participants in General Nakar, Quezon to share their stories, show us their community, brainstorm on possible meaningful work, and also come up with a business plan that can be implemented in their communities.
Sa Barangay Katablingan, ito po yung tinatawag na Sitio Sulok. Ito po yung tinuturing ng Katablingan na isa sa pinakang dinadayo ng mga turista. Lalong higit kapag sasapit na yung mahal na araw o kaya ay yung New Year.
Ngayon po ay narito po tayo sa Pagapidin Falls. Dinadakas po dito nila yung halimbawa po pag may birthday. Dito na po sila nagpipiknik o nagsiswimming dahil maganda po dito at makanlong. Tapos hindi po ganong mainit. Tapos ay malamig pa po yung tubig.
We envision to share to the global community the perspectives of youth on forest work and conservation. And we aim to present these ideas to local authorities so we can create positive change.